Hello and welcome back to Sweet Acre Koi Farm. This is Chris. Just going to show you the water quality right now before we hook up this UV. And I think it gives a really good representation. You see how lime green? It has a really lime green look to it. And you can see there it's really lime green. And yeah, you can't really see too far under. You can kind of sort of get an idea how much of the hose you can see. And a lot of it's laying towards the top too, so it's not that far down. But it kind of gives you an idea. Just wanted to look around the pond really quick to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like now. But yeah, you can kind of sort of see the lime green color within. You see how you see the streaks? So that's what I'm trying to get out of the pond. So once we hook up that UV clarifier, we'll get a better idea of what we're dealing with after a week. And all I can do is just hope and pray that it's going to be enough. Here's the box, all painted up. Just thinking that we might go ahead and put some kind of a hole in the bottom just in case, for whatever reason, it starts taking on water. At least the water can get out and it won't flood the box. So, yeah. So we're going to go ahead and unhook these and hook the new UV up. Okay, have this one hooked up. And now we're just feeding the wire through the box. And then we're gonna go ahead and hook up this one. This one's gonna be the one to the filter box. That one's the one to the pump. Okay, we have the cord in nicely. And he's got this all hooked up over here. And we're gonna go ahead and drill 2 holes right now. That way, if for some reason it starts leaking a little bit or whatever, that it will actually go out the box. Okay, we have 2 holes. Hole there, where the fitting's going to be over there, and one here. And we'll get the vacuum out and get that cleaned up, and then we'll go ahead and hook up the outflow. Okay, filter's all cleaned out, put back in here, and we have flow going through the clarifier, and we're gonna go ahead and fire her up because we see absolutely no leaks. Nothing is leaking. So here we go. We're gonna fire it up. Ouch, poke right in the face by a plant. There we go. It's plugged in. And we'll see what happens. Supposedly you can see it through this opening, but I'm not able to lift it up. So I'm just gonna say it's running because I can't lift it up because of that hose. Yeah. Okay, well, it's up, it's running, it's plugged in, it's going, and so we'll look at the water quality right now. I'll take a real good look at it. You can see pretty much the water quality we got going on right now. Not looking really good, and it's looking really dark in the pond. Okay, there we go. Today is Monday. I believe the 5th. I hope I'm right. Otherwise, I'm going to have to look like an idiot on video. But, yeah. Anyway. So yeah, so there we go. We're going to let it roll, and we're going to check back in a week, and we're going to see how it looks. Okay, we got the baskets up today. Not very many plants in them, but that's okay. We'll get them filled. But at least that's done. That makes me happy. That's one task over. And nobody fell in the pond. Yeah, hubby had to finish helping because my knees just couldn't handle kneeling on the board and leaning down. So yeah, hubby did it for me. And I went ahead and did this over here just for right now until I can get the, let me see, until I can get these baskets in. We have like that slope that's down here, and I'm desperately trying to figure out a way to get them level. And I'm thinking what I'm going to wind up probably doing is doing like a PVC bottom, like a false bottom, and laying it on the bottom, and then laying the baskets in there with a rock, and then put the plants in. I think that's the route I'm going to go ahead and go. I'm still thinking. I don't know. But yeah, we've got the UV clarifier running. So that's up and running. And so far, we're not seeing much of a difference, but it's going to be a while. Because like I said, it's going to be about a week it's going to take to do that. But yeah, so far, everything's coming together. I'm pretty happy about it. Yeah, we'll see what... The next thing that we're working on is we're gonna swap out the white pipe for black pipe. So that's gonna be next. I'm gonna lower the WASA filter down because that's just, I don't like how high it is. So we're gonna lower that down some. That'll stop on a lot of the backsplashing that's going on. But yeah, believe it or not, the fish are doing good when you go to feed them. Yeah, there's plants floating around because I was just messing with my plants. But yeah, the fish are doing good when they actually do come up to feed. I can see them. They look good. They'll look even better when I can see them all the way down. But for right now, you count your blessings where you can. And right now, they're all alive and they're all eating and they're growing. So I guess not much to complain about, right? So that's it for our quick little update. Just wanted to show you we at least got the baskets done, so they're in there. All right, I got my spitter working. I figured I would just go ahead and put the spitter there. There you go. I'll get you all the way around so you can get a decent... Oops, hit you right on the pole, sorry. So you can get a decent view of the way it turned out. Yeah, I'm going to try to make the bog look a little bit more natural and not so... I don't know what the word is I'm looking for. Contrived, whatever. But I'm trying to get that natural look. So that's where we're at so far. And then I'll start putting baskets in here and get some plants going. But that's how I wanted it to look right there. So underneath the rocks are baskets flipped upside down so the water can flow right through, no issues. So I'm not going to have any buildup of anything underneath there because there's a really decent flow that pulls it all the way down the other way. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, we got the baskets in, as you can see. Yay. I haven't filled them yet. I will. I just haven't done it yet. But so we got the baskets in like I wanted. And we got the UV clarifier on. And I know it's on because I'll show you. Oh, let me get this other rock. Until we get that latch, I got to put rocks on it, you know. You see that? That tells me it's working, that green light. I can see water flowing through it. I can see water flowing through there. So, yeah, I put that foam stuff. I've got that foam stuff packed in there just in case it rains. It's not supposed to rain tonight. But just in case, I've got it packed. It's really packed in there pretty good, too. I do have a little bit of water right there, but that's only because I had the noodle wet and I just got done doing it. So we don't have any leaks as far as I know. We should be good to go. All right. There we go. And we'll put that back on here. There we go. So yeah, we should be good. Oh, that's not even sitting on the thing right. I got to lift that up and move it over. It's not sitting on the last thing. Hang on a minute. Let me fix that. Hang on. Okay. I've got it put back where it belongs. There we go. So, all right. So now that we've gotten that far, we're going to see how it looks in the morning. Hopefully it'll be good. Hopefully it'll work out. Well, that's it for this week. Thank you so very much for watching. We'll give you an update in about a week's time, like I said. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. And everybody, stay sweet.